the Tranya T1 Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be taking a look at the new Tranya T1 Pro, an upgraded version of the T1s. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user guide, a micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The T1 Pros features the following: 6 to 8 hours of listening time, 60 hours with the case. It takes about 2 hours to charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The case has a nice, small, compact shape with a clear black plastic top, and it has a matte finish bottom. On the front, you have the status LEDs for charging along with the branding. And on the back, you have the micro USB port for charging. The lid is magnetic and the earbuds are held into place by magnets. You can also see the ear indicators etched in on the case. The earbuds are very simple in design and just slightly wider than the Tranya T3s. The outside has a glossy finish and it has button controls to navigate playback and calls. You can also see the left and right ear markings inside. Each of the earbuds have button controls, LED light, microphone, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And this is how they look side by side. The touch controls are as follows. For the left side, press once for play, pause, answer, and call. Hold down for 2 seconds for previous track. Press 2 times for volume down, and press 3 times for voice assistant. The right side controls are the same with the exception of holding down for 2 seconds will give you the next track, and pressing 2 times for volume up. The controls are very responsive and it doesn't take that much pressure. The case comes in at about 2.8 by 1.8 by 1.3 inches. It weighs in at 46 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 9 grams. And now for a microphone sample. This is a test of the Tranya T1 Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Calls come in pretty loud and clear, and it also features voice noise cancellation that can help suppress ambient noise during calls. The earbuds also connect instantly once you remove them from the case. Watching videos with an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency or disconnect. Range was good as well. You can use the earbuds in mono, left or right side individually. Here are my thoughts on the Tranya T1 Pros, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found them to be very comfortable and easy to put in the ears. It didn't require a lot of twisting to get them seated. The button controls don't take that much pressure to use, but it can push the earbuds further into your ear canals. I would have preferred touch controls. They did stay into place while running. Build-in quality is pretty good. Simple and a minimalistic design, and it's very light. I like the fact that the case has a matte type finish on the bottom and it's easy to grip. I would have preferred a USB-C port instead of the micro. The earbuds can attract a lot of fingerprints on the outside, but nothing that can be easily wiped off. Now let's talk about the sound. All I can say is that this took me by surprise. The bass was very good. It had a lot of punch and it was not overblown. Bass lovers will definitely enjoy these earbuds. Mids and highs were on point as well. Vocals and instruments were very clear and clean. The treble comes in very strong, but it doesn't overwhelm. And you can listen at a high volume with no issues. I tested with various music genres and I had no complaints. It was good across the board. These, in my opinion, are one of the best pairs I've tested in the $50 price range. They can easily compete with the higher priced earbuds. The long battery life, IPX5 rating, and sound quality can make these a good all-around pair of earbuds for using every day or during workouts. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.